If your Kia Sportage is refusing to turn over, don't call the tow truck just yet. Over 70% of no-start calls for this model are actually caused by simple battery or terminal issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly why your engine is staying silent. Before grabbing tools, verify the car is in park and try pressing the start button with the key fob itself. Listen closely when you turn the key. A single click often points to a failing starter motor solenoid. If the engine cranks but won't catch, you likely have a fuel delivery issue or a bad crankshaft position sensor. Simple cleaning and fuse checks are easy DIY tasks, but fuel pumps and alternators usually require a pro. Repair costs vary, but starting with the battery is almost always the most affordable place to begin. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for hidden codes that might be disabling your ignition system. Always keep a 10mm wrench and jumper cables in your Sportage for these exact situations. Remember that basic terminal maintenance can prevent almost all of these common starting headaches. If these steps helped you get your Sportage running, hit that subscribe button for more DIY car repair guides.